Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Nashwa Kamila, a student from the English Literature Department, Class A, with a student ID number 33230075. Here I will present my paper proposal and explain my work. Let's get straight to the presentation. So I will explain my proposal, and title my proposal is Analysis Result of the Novel Pulang by Terelie. Introduction. For one, background. A novel is one form of literary work that functions not only as entertainment but also as a medium for conveying life values, social aspects, and culture. Literature can serve as a reflection of society's reality while also delivering criticism and moral contemplation relevant to readers' lives. One of the contemporary Indonesian novels worth studying is Pulang by Terelie. This novel tells the life journey of Bujang, a young man from a modest family who later enters the world of the family, a large organization engaged in both legal and illegal businesses. The story in realities, cultural dimensions, and complex life values. Research on Pulang is important to uncover the values contained in it, particularly regarding the representation of local culture and moral values that can be taken as life lessons. This study is expected to contribute to the development of contemporary Indonesian literary studies and enrich readers' understanding of the meanings embedded in popular literature. So I will explain research question. And number one is, how is the main character portrayed in Terelie's novel Pulang? And number two is, what local cultural values are represented in the novel Pulang? And the third is, how do the inner conflict and life journey of the main character reflect the social and cultural dynamics of society? So I will explain it in the next video. So I will answer question number one. How is the main character portrayed in Terelie's novel Pulang? The main character, Bujang, is portrayed as a complex figure, strong, resilient, and disciplined, yet also deeply human. Coming from a humble background in rural Sumatra, he later becomes part of the international underworld through the Tong family. His character development shows a transformation from a village boy into a powerful figure, but his true strength lies not only in his physical abilities but also in his courage, loyalty, and respect for his parents and ancestral values. I will answer question number 2. What local cultural values are represented in the novel Pulang? The novel embodies various local culture values, especially those rooted in Sumatra and Malay traditions such as honor and dignity, preserving oneself, respect and family, and loyalty to family promises and commitments, and respect for parents and elders. Bujang upholds the teachings and advice of his parents, and solidarity and togetherness, the spirit of kindship and mutual support. And the last is local wisdom, expressed through proverbs, tradition, and cultural philosophies. Number 3. How do the inner conflict and life journey of the main character reflect the social and cultural dynamics of society? The answer is Bujang's inner conflicts reflect dilemmas faced in real society, the tension between tradition and modernity, morality and survival, individuality and social responsibility. His life journey illustrates how a person may be shaped by harsh realities while still holding on to cultural and moral values. This reflects broader Indonesian social dynamics, where traditional values often intersect and sometimes clash with modernization and globalization. So, continue part 3. Research objective. Number 1 is to describe the representation of local cultural values in contemporary Indonesian literature. Number 2, to identify the dominant local cultural values that emerge. Number 3, to analyze the relevance of cultural representation in the novel to today's social context. So I will explain it part 3. The explanation is the study demonstrates that contemporary Indonesian literature continues to highlight local identity by embedding cultural tradition and values within modern narrative. And second, the most dominant values found in the novel include loyalty, honor, respect for parents, and ancestral wisdom. They are not only symbolic but also serve as guiding principles for the character's life. And the third and the last is the representation of these cultural values remains relevant today as readers still face challenge of maintaining cultural identity, moral reality, and balance between tradition and modern life. Continue part 4. Research benefits. 1. To describe the portrayal of the main character in Terelias Pulang. 2. To identify and analyze the local cultural values represented in the novel. Number 3. To analyze the inner conflict and life journey of the main character as a reflection of social and cultural dynamics. Number 4, to explain the relevance of the moral message contained in Pulang to readers live in the modern era. So I will explain the answer in the next video. So I will explain it, the question number 1 until 4. So number 1, the question is to describe the portrayal of the main character in Terelias Pulang. The answer is benefit. This provides a deeper understanding of how character development is constructed in modern Indonesian novels. It also enriches literary studies in terms of narrative strategies and psychological character building. And number 2, question is to identify and analyze the local cultural values represented in the novel. Answer is benefit. This contributes to the preservation and promotion of Indonesian local wisdom through literature. It also raises awareness of the importance of cultural identity in contemporary narratives. Question number 3, to analyze the inner conflict and life journey of the main character as a reflection of social and cultural dynamic. The answer is benefit. This helps readers and scholars see how literature mirrors real social dilemmas and cultural struggles, thereby deepening the understanding of the interconnection between fiction and reality. The question number 4 is to explain the relevance of the moral message contained in Pulang to readers lives in the modern era. So the answer is benefit. This provides practical insights for readers, showing how moral values such as loyalty, courage, and respect for parents remain essential guides in facing contemporary challenges, even within a globalized world. So continue the next slide. Literature review and theoretical framework. Part 4. Literature review. Research on Terelias' works has been quite extensive, covering themes, characters, and moral values. Some relevant studies include 1. Sari, 2019, in her research titled Analysis of Moral Values in Terelias' novel Pulang, found that the novel is rich in moral values such as honesty, responsibility, and self-control that can serve as examples for readers. Number 2, Putra, 2020, in his study, The Inner Conflict of the Main Character in the Novel Pulang, concluded that Bujang represents an identity conflict and moral dilemmas between the family world and his personal life full of contradiction. Number 3, Rahmawati, 2021, in her study on representation of local cultural values in Indonesian popular literature, mentioned that Terelias' novels, including Pulang, display Sumatran cultural values such as respect for ancestors, solidarity, and strong family ties. Part 40.2 Theoretical Framework. Number 1. Representation Theory. Stuart Hall, 1997, explains how culture is constructed and presented in literary texts. Cultural representation can be seen through symbols, characters, actions, and conflicts. Number 2. Structuralism Semiotics Theory. Teu, 1984, Ratna, 2015. Used to interpret signs and symbols relate to local culture in the literary text. Number 3. Cultural Values Theory. Koen-Jaraningrat, 2004. Applied to identify local cultural values such as mutual cooperation, religiosity, solidarity, and respect for ancestors found in Pulang. Appendix number 1. Synopsis of the novel Pulang. Terelias Pulang narrates the life journey of Bujang, a young boy from the Sumatran hinterland who later enters a dark world full of power and secret organization. From his childhood, Bujang grows into a resilient, disciplined figure with extraordinary abilities. The novel not only tells about action, loyalty, and revenge, but also uncovers life values, family philosophy, and the true meaning of home. Appendix 2. Data on cultural values. Quote in the novel. Number 1. As high as your knowledge, as pure as monotheism, and clear as your tactics, you will eventually return home. Religious and philosophical value teaches that all life journeys will ultimately return to one's home and origins. Number 2. Bachelors learn the meaning of hard work, discipline, and loyalty. Hard work and loyalty value reflects the work ethic of society. Number 3. Life is not just a buffalo with no spook. Independence and self-esteem value emphasize the importance of living independently and with dignity. Appendix 3. Storyline sense. Number 1. Young Bujang live in the Sumatran hinterland, meets influential people. Number 2. Bujang enters a secret organization, learns about life values, power, and conflicts. Number 3. Bujang understands the true meaning of home, returns to his origins and life values. Okay, that's all I have to say. I apologize for any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon.